Good afternoon, ma'am. So this is the group 1. So we are assigned to report the PNP image. Firstly, PNP image, the meaning of it. The image of any organization affects the spirit, the corps, morale, and welfare of the members, and sense of pride to the organization. Thus, all members of the PNP should act in a manner that would reflect best on the PNP and live by the PNP's core values. So, this is the PNP image definition. So firstly, I will tackle the PNP in itself, the organization in itself. So PNP National Police is one of the important organizations in the Philippines that are responsible in preserving, implementing peace and order, the law, and overall safety in the Philippines. So, but over the time, it has suffered from many controversies and as a result losing the public trust and confidence. The present study aims the defining that PNP image encompasses how it can be solved and why it is crucial to cope in community liaisons and profiling the issues into case scenarios. So firstly, the PNP image is crucial sa pag-implement sa mga PNP officers kay ang PNP officers is prone sa criticism of the public or the community. So to serve the community, the sole meaning of the PNP or the organization in itself is life, to serve humanity. So we are the PNP personnel are the public servant. So they apply the makajos, makakalikasan, makatao at makabansa.
Further explain the PNP image. The PNP image is the public's perception of the organization, reflecting its trustworthiness, effectiveness, and legitimacy. It's shaped by factors like historical context, performance in enforcing the law and maintaining peace, public trust, media portrayal, and community engagement. A positive image signifies public confidence in the PNP's ability to protect and serve. The PNP refers to the public perception and reputation of the Philippine National Police as an institution. The PNP is committed to serve and protect all the Filipino citizens. The Philippine National Police should have professionalism, trustworthiness, and dedication to their work. They should be seen as the protectors of the community, enforcing the law with integrity and fairness.
Inside the police organization, police officers must maintain proper conduct and decorum to avoid ruining the image of the police officers or the entire police organization. So as a police officer who enforces the laws of the society, they should follow the core values of the PNP, which are the first, love of God. So as a police officers, you should put God first in everything that you do, so that you are guided. Then second is respect for authority. So even if you're already a police officer, you should not forget that you still have higher authority that you need to respect. Then third is selfless love and service to people. So kay police officer naman ka, hindi na nimo hunahunaan di mo kagalingon, ay mo nang hunaon ang ubang tao. Then fourth is sanctity of marriage and family life. So isip us ka police officer nga kung minyo na ka kailangan na kay decency nga mo hunahuna ka minyo na ka ug di na ka mag kuan pa og laing bae or laki ana. Then fifth is responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. So, di mo ibaylo ang imong profession sa mga butang nga kuan kay baw ka nga makadaot nimo. Then last is truthfulness. So, as a police officer, kailangan nimo magpabilin nga truthful sa imong profession o sa ubang tao nga nagsalig nimo. So, that's all. Thank you.
These are the challenges that the PNP images are facing. Firstly, the corruption. Second is the governance, and the third is the national security threats. To further explain these different challenges in PNP images will be reported by Mr. Idaw.
To address the challenges that Mr. Benico said earlier, addressing issues in the PNP image requires a multi-phased approach. One key strategy is building public trust through transparency and accountability. This involves investigating and addressing allegations of misconduct, ensuring fair and impartial justice, and promoting community engagement. Improving police professionalism is crucial, which includes training officers in de-escalation techniques, human rights, and community policing. Effective communication is vital, fostering open dialogue with the public, addressing concerns, and providing updates on investigation and program. Finally, collaborating with community leader, and organization can help build bridges, address specific concerns, and create a shared sense of responsibility for public safety. By implementing these strategies, the PNP can work toward restoring public trust and improving its image. So, addressing PNP issues. The PNP is facing a lot of issues in our present time. They're accused of violation of bribery, brutality, abuse of authority, racism, refusing police responsibilities, unfairness of enforcing the law, and partisan politics. All of this should be addressed in order to restore the reputation of the PNP and enhance effectiveness. And the importance of PNP image is very crucial. Confidence of the people to trust their protectors and the integrity of the PNP should be protected. They are carrying the name of the country and representing its symbols. They have sworn in its front of the Philippine flag that they will serve the dignity, serve and protect the country. It gives a potential cooperation of all the citizens in enforcing the law.
So here are the sample scenarios of PNP image. The members of the HPG are conducting and enforcing the law of our national roads so that the people will have a smooth and prevent traffic problems. But some road users want to bribe the HPG officers. But the officer maintained its firmness in refusing gifts to avoid unfairness in enforcing the law of traffic. To inform them that they are equal and what would be the punishment should be received by the violator in accordance to its violation. It is to maintain the image of the PNP to the people of the Philippines. The second scenario is a police officer responds to a domestic dispute. They handle the situation calmly and professionally, de-escalating the situation and ensuring the safety of all involved. The officer takes the time to listen to both parties and provides helpful resources to address the underlying issues. The individuals involved express appreciation for the officer's professionalism and empathy.